Cooks, today we're making Thai Drunken Noodles. These noodles are not just for the drunken, right? It's for anybody who wants a quick and easy meal, and it's absolutely delicious. So welcome to the Amy Learns to Cook kitchen. So to make this dish, you need some rice noodles. These are rice sticks. These are extra large size, so they're wide rice sticks. We live in a small town and we have a international market, maybe 15 miles from here. And this is the brand that they have there. You might find a different brand in your market. I buy the ones with the red elephant. Don't know if these are the best ones that are out there, but this is what we have in our local area. So just go to your international store and buy these rice sticks extra wide, right? So one of the things you'll see is these noodles are stiff as a board. This is how they look, right? They just look like dried pasta. So we need to soften these noodles. A lot of people have different ways that they do it. Some people just put them in water and let them soak for hours, right? I never plan ahead that far. Ding, ding, right? So some people do the fast method where they douse them in hot water and change the hot water. I do something kind of in the middle. So this is like a 1 pound package. I'm going to take like half of this, give or take. Depending on how much you want to cook, but that's how many I usually cook. If I can get them apart. So I'm just going to put the rest of this in a Ziploc. And so here are our noodles. Gonna get them down in the water. I might have to put a little bit more water in this. So I'm going to put a little bit more water in there. I'm going to let them soak for 30 minutes. In the meantime, we're going to make the sauce. Okay, so the recipe for this is up on my website, AmyLearnsToCook.com. If you want to review the exact ingredients, I have a little bowl here. I'm going to put some soy sauce. Yum. Some dark soy sauce. So dark soy sauce is just a little like sweeter than regular soy sauce. We're going to put some hoisin sauce in here, which is a little thicker. I have a little rice vinegar in here, little tang. I'm going to put a little sesame oil. We have some chili garlic sauce. Or you can use sweet, or you can use hot, if you want to. We have some brown sugar. And let's stir this up and see if it needs a splash of water. I'm just going to put a little splash of water to thin it out a little bit. Looking good. So, we're going to need to start sauteing our vegetables. And I want to sort of time it so those noodles are done, so maybe we'll start sauteing them when we're like
halfway through.
Yeah, halfway through. So maybe we'll start sauteing those when we're about halfway through. Okay, so we're going to be using our Chefwin 5-ply skillet. This comes in a 3 skillet set, and it has this handle where you can clip the handle on, and amazing, right? And it's the detachable handle. It makes them easy to store, and I actually am loving this. These are 5-ply. And we unboxed these earlier this year, but they weren't yet on the market. These are hot off the presses. They are on Amazon. I'll put a link down in the description. These just came out, and they're amazing. 5-ply stainless steel at a great price. So that is the Chefwin, right? So we're going to make this stir fry in here. And what I like about this is this handle comes off, so there's no danger of me hitting it. Me or any kid or whatever hitting it, right?
And the edges feel like they're finished.
Yeah, and the edges are finished.
Oh.
Ooh, I like that, Chefwin. So we're going to put some, I'm using avocado oil just because it's a high temp oil into our beautiful Chefwin pan. So we're going to, this is just sliced onion. We're going to go put that in. Ooh, yeah.
Oh.
That sound makes me happy. So we're going to start sauteing these. Seems like to me the onions usually, oops, I got a jumper. The onions, I usually do them by themselves for a few minutes just to soften them up just a little bit. We want them crisp tender, so we're just getting that raw edge off of them. Okay, those are looking pretty good. So we have some red bell pepper. I'm using, you can use any bell pepper, whatever you have. I'm just using red because we're using zucchini and this like gives us some color to it. So we're just gonna slightly soften these up as well. Okay, those are looking nice, right? I'm gonna put in, oh, I have some garlic. So you can put in, I wrote the recipe up on my website as 3 cloves of garlic minced. You can use anything, any amount you like. I have like 6 cloves here. You can use anything from like 1 clove to 1,000, right? Whatever you like. We're just gonna quickly stir fry those to heat that garlic up. You don't wanna do it too much. We're gonna throw in some zucchini, sliced. And we're gonna saute, stir fry these until they're crisp tender. Until they're slightly before crisp tender, because we don't want them to be overcooked. So we're gonna cook them to your desired doneness. Okay, so I totally forgot that I had this strainer thing. This is a bowl with a strainer. I should have used this from the beginning. Every time I've made this, I've used this though, which is easier just to use this. Whoop. So that's our warm water. Let me dump this. So I'm gonna go ahead and pour in a hot kettle of water. Woo. That looks good. We're gonna give this maybe 5-10 minutes. When these are softened up, I'll just fire this back up and we'll go ahead and finish it off. Okay, let's heat this up really fast. I'm gonna mess around and blast my vegetables out. We're gonna go ahead and put our noodles in here. Woohoo!
Oh.
We're gonna put our sauce in here. Mm.
Oh.
Yum. So you could put Thai basil. We didn't have any, and we live in the middle of nowhere, so I'm just going to put some cilantro in here. Yum. Let me heat this up a little bit and grab some plates. Okay, let's have some dinner here.
Nice.
This looks really good. We got Thai Drunken Noodles. I always slightly overcook my noodles. So, oh well.
So you're basically saying when you're drunk, you should be eating these?
So you can put any kind of chilies you want in here. I didn't put any, but hey, right? So the Chefwin pan did amazing. That 5-ply tri-ply, that's the way to go, right? It cooks great. I love it. And I love, here's the handle on it, so you can put that handle on and go, right? So here is our Thai Drunken Noodles. What do you think, Boo?
The zucchini's cooked pretty good.
Delicious.
Not mushy or anything.
Mm-mm.
Peppers are so crispy.
I always afraid I'm gonna overcook the vegetables. Excellent.
The flavor is well rounded. It's not like, I don't really taste like too much of one thing. So it's not overdone on garlic, not overdone on soy.
If you want it hot, you can put chilies in here, and you can put more of that chili garlic sauce, because that, if you put like 2 tablespoons of it, it will be warm.
That's great.
Delicious.
Your noodles are nice and soft and everything.
It may not be 100% authentic because I didn't have the Thai basil, but I live in a small town, so I use what I can get. It is a tasty meal regardless. Make it. You will love this dish. I'm off to eat dinner. Thanks for joining me.